event was organized. It's an exclusive event for our consulting engineers in the mechanical field, specifically for the HVAC systems. The goal of this event is to gather everyone and then share knowledges between each other. We need to introduce how Hisense has been doing in the HVAC industry here in the Philippines. And at the same time, our end users to be able to use the products and services that Hisense is providing globally.
Hisense is a corporation founded in 1969. It's already 54 years old.
I stand before you with great enthusiasm and a sense of purpose as we gather to explore and advocate for sustainable HVAC solution with a particular focus on VRF technology.
Nowadays, energy efficiency is now the main requirements of our developers and clients.
I hope we can widen our network, not only for Metro Manila, but for the whole Philippines as well. Hopefully, we can invite consultants from especially Visayas and Mindanao. Yes, looking forward, hopefully Hisense will continue to grow, be more well-known in the HVAC industry.
By implementing the insights gained from this seminar, we can ensure better energy management, improved indoor air quality, and enhanced comfort moving forward.